Today we're gonna make a simple yet delicious 4-cheese garlic bread. For this video, I'm gonna prepare my garlic bread in my toaster oven. And because this piece of bread is too big to fit in my toaster oven, I'm gonna have to cut it in half. Now I'm gonna cut the baguette right in the middle. Here I got some store-bought garlic butter. Just spread that butter all over the bread. Make sure your garlic butter is room temperature. Now you're gonna put some freshly grated Parmesan on top. And you're gonna put some Pecorino Romano. Put some pieces of Provolone cheese on top. And last but not least, some mozzarella cheese. Don't be shy to pick up the cheese that has fallen on the side and slap it right on top of the bread. So there you have it, some ooey, gooey, delicious 4-cheese garlic bread that you can make right here at home. As you can see, I put some parsley over it. Look at that. What better way to start a dinner party than eating some garlic cheese bread? If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a like, and if you're new to this channel, subscribe and check out these other great videos.